Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video I will show you how to see who shared your post on Facebook. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Now as an example, if I go to my profile, then here you see I have done a live video earlier, and you can also see that two people have shared this video. Now if I tap on the share count, then you will see that I cannot see exactly who shared my video. So if you want to see who shared your post, then just tap on the notification icon. Now tap on the notification that shows who liked or commented on your post. Now if you tap on the share count here, you will be able to see all the people who shared the post. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.